Hello everyone, welcome to Just Easy. In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of the Byju's Learning App package which I received today. I am very excited and eagerly waiting to open this package and know what is there in it. I am ready. Are you ready? Come on. I told you to pause. So we got a Byju's bag in the package of 5th grade. So they have given a beautiful bag. They also gave these volume books with the package. So Byju's, they generally deal with science and mathematics. So we have taken from grade 5 to grade 10th package. So this all the books. There are 5 volumes of science books and 4 volumes of mathematics books. And let us see what is there inside, how the books are. Very easy to learn books. More than theory, it is more of pictorial representation and explanation. Pictures explain everything in these books, so it will be very interesting for the children to read and it encourages them. This is one of the mathematics books. See, in mathematics also there are more of pictures than showing it in problem and theoretical way. Here comes the main block which I am waiting eagerly for. So let us open and see what is there in it. Let us start seeing what is there in this. You learn the best when you start asking questions yourself. Wow. It is a beautiful card which shows what Byju's is. Here, magnifying glass, the compass, the experiment, science experiment tools divided by the boat is there. It is science about the space, about the animals. So pictorially they have shown what Byju's want to give us. Let us quickly see what is there inside it. Celebrating curiosity. Wow, there is a good surprise here. Byju's courses are available for 1 to 12 for CAT, all these things. There is a beautiful surprise which is waiting for my kids. Little Chocopee. This they have given as a complimentary gift. There is a box here. I don't know what is there in this. Let us see. There is a small chip SIM card which we need to put it. I think we need to put it in this pad. Watch your kids fall in love with learning card. 2 badges are there. Sticker booklet. What is there in this? This is a sticker booklet where various good stickers are there, interesting for kids. This is the installation instructions booklet where how to install the tablet. All the instructions are there here. And let us go to the next layer. Okay, what is there? This is the tablet which my son is waiting from long time onwards. Let us see how the tablet is. This is Lenovo tablet M8 HT. How it looks. Wow. Nice. This is the tablet. which we received for Byju's contract. With the tab, they have given this Lenovo Tab M8 safety warranty and quick start guide, how to start, how warranty cards, everything. There is a pin in this, and a charger is given to charge this tab. So this is what I want to show in my video regarding the unboxing of Byju's learning app package, which we received on taking contract for 5th to 10th grade. So friends, did you like my unboxing video? If you have liked it, please share it to others. Subscribe my channel Just Easy and follow my channel. Hope my child will start loving the education and gain more and more knowledge and info about the subjects in practical view. Thank you and have a nice time. Stay in touch.